Welcome back to Clipboard Electronics. Today I have a quick solution for a problem that really annoys me, and that is, how the heck do you read the labels on these little integrated circuits? I was trying to sort through all these voltage regulators here and trying to read the labels, and it's just taken too long. Even with a magnifying glass, and every electronics aficionado should have a magnifying glass like this, but even with that, and even with an actual microscope like this one here, it's really hard to read these labels because there's really no color there. These labels are laser etched, and they're very small so that they can fit a lot of numbers and letters on this small area. So there's no way around the size and the coloring of these unless you do a little trick. So I'm going to show you a trick that will make them look a lot more like this. So if you look at the left and the right one compared, there you can see that the one on the right is actually a lot easier to read. So how did I do that? Very simply, pick up a chalk pencil from your local art supply store, and you can also use regular colored pencils, but the chalk pencil works better. It's a little bit more expensive, but it lasts forever. And all you do is go over the label with the chalk pencil and fill in the area completely like this. And then simply wipe it off with your finger. And there will be enough chalk left behind in the etching that you'll easily be able to read that label. Now you still need a magnifying glass, but it is way easier to see after you do that. So there you go. Just a quick way to make your integrated circuits look a lot better and be easier to read, so you don't have to waste a lot of time figuring these out.